Happy sunrise, everyone. Here's Bella saying good morning to you. Bella Vegan Dog. We're just out today enjoying the beautiful new snow and the crisp winter here in Canada. For those of you who love to spread rumors about me, no, I did not light the forest on fire. What I am doing, though, is spreading the vegan message. Love animals. Eat plants. I do this in any way that I can. Sometimes I write on a simple piece of cardboard recycled from an old box, and other times I speak on social media in front of thousands. And I want to encourage you, all of you animal defenders, to do the same. Speak out all the time. There's never a wrong time to speak about the animals. Meat is murder. Don't buy it. Don't buy the humane lie. Animals are treated terribly in the industry. All of them. Don't buy meat. Don't buy dairy. Don't buy eggs. Don't buy any fur or wool or feathers. Live your life with integrity. Have empathy. And share yourself on social media to let everybody know exactly where you stand. Don't be afraid. Be braver than you are right now. Be braver, because if you were the victim, that's what you would want. Somebody standing up for you when you're in the line of fire. So what do? It's simple. You stare down your own cognitive dissonance. You look in the mirror and you really ask yourself, am I telling the truth? Do I really need to eat dead animals? How much have I been brainwashed by the meat, dairy, and egg industries? Can I be different? Can I evolve? Can I actually really only buy vegan things from now on? Can I stop hurting animals? And the answer is yes. Yes, you can change. You can be who you were meant to be. You were born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals. Simply return.
Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it. I'll be vegan from now on. Declare it. Put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on.
I know what you're thinking. End the animal holocaust. Pfft, what an exaggeration. We're here looking at pristine snow and little animal paw prints in it. What holocaust? Except that there is one. You just don't see it. Billions of animals are suffering right now behind closed doors in Holocaust-like conditions. Terrified, hanging upside down, having their throats slit, or being shoved into gas chambers. After a lifetime of hell, of never being able to see the sky or the fire of the sun burning. Meat is murder. Don't buy it. Don't take part in it. You're better than this. You can be better from now on. You can be vegan from now on. It's in you. It's time to rise up and get a life. I mean, a meaningful life. Bella is in the distance, coming towards us now. So many of you have signed petitions to try to have her taken away from me. It makes no sense. It's completely ridiculous. The police even laugh out loud at the fact that this is merely going on because they know how well she is treated, like an absolute princess. Look at her. Come on, everyone. You can totally do this. Be vegan. Be the change you want to see in the world. You don't want to be hurt? Don't hurt others. You don't want to be eaten? Don't eat others. You don't want to be harmed, raped, tortured, incarcerated for crimes you've never committed? Don't do it to others. What do you think's going on here? Somebody couldn't find a trash can for their dog's poop, so they put it inside of a tree. Yep. This is the world we live in. So why aren't you vegan yet? Because you're you. Because it takes 100 clicks. Because you got to go through your phase of being angry with me, of putting up your fists, denying that you're a terrible person. You got to fight me first. But then you come out the other side. You end up loving me and apologizing and standing beside me and together helping us to set them free.
Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it. I'll be vegan from now on. Declare it. Put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on.
If you find any value to this channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell, and help us get these animals out of hell. Thank you.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's